Sneak peek. Here we go. Oh boy. Wheel Wednesday. Got the wheels in for the new ride from Velgen Wheels. Let's check them out. Cut these open and see what they're like. Little sneak peek of what it's gonna look like on the car. Nice packaging. Yes, sir. All right. There's the money shot right there. Look at there. Whoop. Sneak peek. Here we go. Oh, faked you out. There we go. Gunmetal gloss VF5s. Lightweight series. Let's see how lightweight they are. All right, so this is weight of, I think this is the front. 25.6. 25.6. This is the fronts, the 20 by 10s. 25 pounds a piece. That's what they look like. Yes, sir. Let's get these over to the ceramic coating shop, detail shop, and get them ceramic coated inside and out, and then we will take them to get some tires put on. Can't wait to get those on the car. Oh man, more stuff coming in. Check this out. Bam! Continental Extreme Sport Compact 2s. These are the new model here. The new models, 305, 35, 20. That's what's going to go on those wheels and going to go on the car. Packages coming in. Give you guys a little sneak peek of what we got coming. There's that. Here's the other packages. Course Motorsports. That's brake stuff. Sneak peek. All right, what are these? Well, these are some splash guards that I'm going to put on the car to basically help rocks from hitting the side and everything with the wider tires and wheels that we're going on. That right there is going to be an issue. So I'm going to go ahead and install these right here, the California package splash guards. So let's get these put on. All right, so first things first, using my handy dandy little LED light, you got to remove these 3 pins right here, these push pins, with your trim removal tool. So let's get those off. All right, now what you're gonna do is take the splash guard, the front splash guard, it's the smaller one. You're gonna line it up with these 3 holes right here and put the clips back in that they provided for you. It's gonna go like this right here. And then we're gonna put some double-sided sticky tape on this side to go against the body line. And there we are, that's what it looks like. Lines up nice. I'll show you the other side as well. Matches nice with the side skirt there. There we go, moving on to the back. And of course the rear has to be different. So that bottom one down there, we're actually going to reuse. But that clip you see right there, and then also this clip up here, we're gonna take completely out. So just remove those with pliers and then a trim removal tool for the bottom one. All right, now what you're gonna do is you're going to set up the splash guards like this. You're gonna have a little washer and then a screw and a spacer, and then the screws will pop out the end. And you're gonna put it right there in on that hole after you had already put in the clips. So these clips that you see right there and right there, those 2 clips we put on that came in the kit. And we're gonna put this right through here. All right, and that's what it should look like when it's all said and done. That bottom clip, you're gonna keep the stock one, and then there's 1, 2, 3 screws with spacers behind them. And then you're gonna put some double-sided sticky tape up here if you need be. But that's what it looks like. All right, next update. We have the stock side marker lights and then the tinted side marker LEDs from Diode Dynamics. You see Diode Dynamics. So this is what it looks like with the stock one on. Right there. You can see it's matched up well with the California Special black stripe. I think that the tinted side marker is going to look really good with that. So let's get that installed. It's really easy. Clip up underneath. No screws or anything like that. It's just this little clip right here that you push up and you can reach it from underneath the car on the behind the bolt. It goes into place just like that. That's what it looks like. And the laser light right there. I think it looks really good with the black stripe. Matched really well. All right, guys, so I just got done dropping off the wheels and tires to get mounted at the shop here. They're gonna mount them for me, put the sensors in. I can pick them back up. I can just throw them right back on the car. I'm gonna leave the original sensors on the original wheels because that way, if I need to ever put them back on, I ain't gotta worry about putting them on without the sensors in them. So, all right, we're here, and they are mounted. Look at that. Well, that looks good, huh? Look at there. Let's get these suckers home, get them on the car. All right, I wanted to get a measurement on the weight from the stock to the aftermarket ones. So what I'm gonna do is get my scale working. Here we go. So this is the stock wheel with tires. It's measuring in at 60.6. And let's get the aftermarket one on there to see what that measures in at. 60.6 exactly. So they're exactly the same. And this is the rear, 20 by 11 and the 305 in the rear. And it weighs the same exact as the fronts do. So let's get them on. You can see I got the front ones on there already. Let's get the rears on now. All right, guys, it is out of the garage and on its own 4 feet. This is what it looks like with the wheels and tires put on. Really like how it turned out. Again, this is 285/35 in the front, 305/35 in the rear. We're really down on light right now, guys. Sorry, I was running out of daylight to get this done, but the car is on its own 4 feet with the struts and springs, the wheels. Got your tinted side marker lights there, the California Pony Cars splash guards on there, and the wheels. So not a lot of wheel gap right there. It's about perfect for me. And then again, I'm gonna coat these tires. I don't have any tire shine or anything on these right now. I'm gonna coat them. But that's just wanted to get it outside, get it sitting down to see what kind of stance we had. I really liked how it turned out. Looks really sharp like that. Happy with how it turned out. Thanks to Steeda for the springs, struts, shocks. Thanks to Hypermotive for the wheels and the lug nuts. Those lug nuts are open-ended lug nuts. I'll show you guys up front here. Looks really cool, the Monster lugs, spline driven. Looks really good. So, all right, guys, thanks for checking out this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, hit that notification bell. There'll be lots more coming with this car. Stay tuned.